today's class exercise 5.4. Already in a previous video I will tell you the condition exercise 5.4 about this. So listen, this is the exercise sum. See the first sum. Find the discriminant. Discriminant na d equal to b square minus 4ac. So find the discriminant of the following quadratic equations. Can find the nature of roots. Simple as usual form. Comparing to the previous exercise, it's very simple. So 3x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Just we need to find the discriminant value alone. Listen. What is a 3? What is b minus 5? What is c minus 2? What is the discriminant? D equal to b square minus 4ac. Just you apply b value, a value, c value. You will be getting 5 square and 25. Minus it minus plus it. If you multiply 24, so 25 plus 24, 49. Listen, plus 49. So discriminant is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. So greater than 0. Now what is the condition? The roots are real and distinct. So already previous video I will give you the 4 conditions. See the fourth sum. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Same thing. Separate a, b, c. Apply discriminant. You will be getting the value is 16. So 16 is also a positive value. So discriminant value is greater than 0. So the condition is real and distinct. Okay, fifth sum. 16x squared minus 40x plus 25 equal to 0. What is a? 16. What is b? Minus 40. What is c? 25. What is discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. As usual, apply a, b, c value. You will be getting 0. So 0 now discriminant value is equal to 0. So equal to 0 now the condition roots are real and equal. Equal to 0 now real and equal. I hope you all understand this. Come to the second sum. Discuss the nature of roots. Listen ma. Find the discriminant. Discuss the both also finding discriminant value alone. So roots following the quadratic equation. Same how we did the first sum in the same formation. So listen, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. What is a? 3. What is b? Minus 2. What is c? 1 by 3. So discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Apply this, you will be getting 0. We know discriminant value is equal to 0. Now the condition roots are real and equal. Next, third sum. 3x squared minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. What is a? 3. What is b? Minus 4 root 3. What is c? 4. Discriminant na b squared minus 4ac. So b value minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So minus into minus plus a. 4 squared na 16. Root 3 squared na 3. Minus if you multiply 48. So 48 minus 48 equal to 0. So discriminant is equal to 0. So roots are real and equal. Next question. 2 root 3x square minus 5x plus root 3. What is a? 2 root 3. What is b? Minus 5. What is c? Root 3. Next condition b square minus 4ac. Say here 25 minus 21 equal to 1. 1 na discriminant value is greater than 1. So roots are real and distinct. This is not d equal to 0. Discriminant value is greater than 0. So the condition is real and distinct. Okay ma. Next third sum. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations in the same. Here they are given the fraction form, that's it. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 by 2, c equal to minus 1 by 2. What is discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. So b value minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 into a 1 then c minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 whole square na 1 by 4. 1 time 2 times. So minus it minus plus 2. So 9 by 4. Listen, 9 by 4 now. This is plus or minus 9 by 4. So automatically discriminant value is greater than 0 only. So greater than 0 now the condition is real and unequal. Why we are mentioned unequal? Because plus or minus 9 by 4 is equal to 0 now equal. This is not equal to 0. So you can write roots are real and unequal, or else you can write real and distinct. Both also same meaning only. For the differentiation I mention unequal here. Okay, I hope you all understand after this. Next fourth sum. Listen the question clearly. Without solving the following quadratic equation, directly we are not applying the quadratic equation. Find the value of t. What we need to In that equation, real and equal roots. Here, we are not directly supposed to use the quadratic equation. We need to find p value. They mention the word that equation is real and unequal. So x squared plus p minus 3 into x plus p equal to 0. What is a? 1. What is b? P minus 3. What is c? P. Constant law. Discriminant b squared minus 4ac. What is b? P minus 3 whole squared. Minus 4 into what is a? 1. C p. Listen, this is a minus b whole square formation. Expand this. A squared plus b squared. But 3 squared 9. Minus 2ab. So 3 2s are 6 p. Minus 4 into p 4p. So p squared plus 9 minus 6p minus 4p minus 10p. So p squared minus 10p plus 9. Listen, now this is quadratic equation. It's a general form of quadratic equation. Here they won't mention use quadratic formula. So here using two method you can use quadratic equation formula or use prime quadratic factorization formula. You can use your wish only. So 1 into 9 9. We addition we need minus 10, multiplication we need plus 9. So minus 9 minus 1 minus into minus plus 9. So p squared minus 9p minus p plus 9. In this take p as common, 9p minus 9. In this take minus as common, p minus 9. So p minus 9, p minus 9, p minus 1. So quadratic form, p minus 1 equal to 0, p minus 9 equal to 0, p equal to 1 and p equal to 9. So the value of p is 1 and 9. Okay students, I hope you all understand up to this. You can copy all those sums in your classwork. If you have any doubt, ask me students. We have a short period, so utilize the time properly. If you have any